something different today, but also something very near and dear to my heart. I decided, because I have 2 days left in the kind of break before the peak murrelet season, where the birds start trying to fledge their chicks, and so they start flying back and forth from the ocean a whole bunch. I'm going to use the couple days I have off to kind of wander around some of these places in southern Oregon that a guidebook to gem and rock finding recommended, and just kind of wander some of these gravel bars and other places in search of some amazing, beautiful rocks. You know, I grew up around the Yellowstone River in eastern Montana, and I really do owe a lot of the wonder for nature that I have to all of those experiences of wandering around and looking for stones and listening to the various stories that they tell and just perceiving the tremendous beauty. It's a very meditative process of wandering around and seeing what catches your eye, and I hope I can bring some cool stuff to you all and do it in a very beautiful cinematic way. Man, literally just 4 minutes in, I've already found this just absolutely fantastically beautiful kind of orange and white rock. Lots of kind of crystalline structures, and I haven't yet washed it out, but though, my knowledge of the specific minerals I'm looking at is hilariously low. I could recognize Montana agates and petrified wood and jasper, and I think that's about it. I'm already quite pleased with how just gorgeous some of these rocks are. Seriously love some of these volcanic rocks that we have out here. Just these striations, and it's so amazingly lifelike that you really do get this impression that this is a thing that came out of the deep bellies of the earth, this molten fire, and over the course of millions of years solidified and is pulled up by this river here and into my eyes and into your screens. It's always kind of funny how it works that way, where you're wandering around the river, especially in a new area where you don't have much of a search image. You don't see anything all that interesting, anything all that, anything that calls out to you all that much. And then you just kind of look down, and then you see this beautiful, series of colors. So there's a rock here that just has this wonderful red and orange, all of these kind of black sparkle dots down it, and it just suddenly just popped out and was the first real rock that spoke to me as something interesting and beautiful for quite a while. So I just love the tones of this rock, those just gorgeous gradients from the various shades of red. Just fantastic. Okay, well, I'm starting out today at Althouse Creek. It's a little creek that runs through this area that the guidebook mentioned in southwest Oregon. And apparently there's all sorts of just like really cool rocks. A thing they mentioned called a Oregon jade, which is apparently a quite bright kind of green rock out here. Some kind of deep red jaspers, and I think a rock called rhodonite that has like kind of pink violet little tendrils that'll run through the rock, and should be some cool stuff to find out here. So I'm gonna go explore the creek and see what we can find. Nothing too exciting just yet, but this is kind of still the getting a search image stage, so I can get some idea what I'm looking for. Starting to get a feel for some of the like kind of green jaspery looking stuff, some of those kind of deeper red rocks, but I think I'm gonna find a new spot for the down creek and just kind of keep checking out these gravel beds until hopefully I find something fun. So I love this. It's got some beautiful, just gorgeous, like little kind of crystalline, quartz-like intrusions through there. This really nice kind of black and white pattern on the rock. Just absolutely gorgeous. Some of these just fantastic greens, kind of these like whitish intrusions throughout this. Maybe this is what they refer to when they talk about Oregon jade, I'm not sure. It is gorgeous though. Very nice kind of deep green to it. Agate Lake. Wonder what I can find here. Agates are just so tiny, but they've got just these beautiful kind of reddish black inlays. Absolutely gorgeous.